o.t.s Entertainment. What the fuck going on? It's your boy Awesome, man.
Let's get into it. What's it, guys? What's it, back again? And today we are getting into another album reaction. Today we are here with my boy V-Side. V-Side said, "Yo, I dropped a new tape. Listen to that, John." All right. As always, if you guys have any album reactions, any artist, any music that y'all want me to listen to from y'all, make sure you guys DM me at TheRealAwesome. It's right here. It's right there. Y'all can DM me, and I'll either say yes or no. I don't really cause nothing. I'm Dante. Shout out to Dante, but this ain't pass me the aux, my nigga. Unless your shit's ass, then I'm probably gonna cost you a hefty penny, brother. I'm fucking with you, but anyway, we gonna listen to my boy album. It's called Noise. We're gonna get straight into it. Noise by V-Side. First song is Head Crack. Let's do it.
Play my money, you die. Play my bitch, you die. Play with the gang, get slime. Leave red on your head like dye. I'm with the slime, sleeve, slay. Just like a barber, push it back. We get them laid down like where the bed at. We not with this nigga, that shit whack. Yeah, head crack, yeah, head crack, yeah, smoke ops, yeah, get packed, yeah, roll them up, yeah, woods back, yeah, niggas hate, when you where they should be at. Stop bitching, nigga. Pull your skirt, go get you a bag. Yeah, I'm addicted, nigga. I want weed and I want racks. I ain't tripping, nigga. He wanna feed her a beat, I'm a tax. I got bills to pay, won't play that. No. Vin Diesel, nigga. I don't play about my family, okay? You get small like gas, diesel. Got a hot shit like Cheeto. We gon' make sure that he fly in the sky. Since he tryna be a hero. But fuck that shit, little nigga. I'm only worried about the Nero. The Nero. The Nero. The Nero. My bank account needs 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Damn!
Yeah. My shooters on go. They finna scope your house like Zillow. Yeah. They finna stop your shit. You know what I'm saying? Scope your shit like Zillow, nigga. Your shit on the market. You know what I'm saying? It's not your shit like Kai.
B-Switch?
Phase, Call of Duty type shit. Yeah, I get high just feel okay. Guess so I can't feel my face. My bitch too fine, the pussy I slay. Me my tune like Josh and Drake. Me my son like Keenan Kel. My shooter gon' slide if you call that cell. Gon' be at your door like we dropping off mail. Folks sure I'm a guy like that. All cops are bad, the police suck. If I see the lights, I got speed up. Finna bend that corner, they can't catch up. We drive that shit like go-kart. We drive that shit like store car. But this shit mine, yeah, big body. Paid in for you, it's my car.
The new auto-tune.
Oh no, it was supposed to go into the next joint, you prick. Bro, no one gives a fuck about the new Antares, man. Bro, first of all,
He's responsive.
First of all. We all to a beautiful start. Off to a beautiful start. Next song called Deadlist. I think it was supposed to transition into the next drum if I'm not mistaken. That shit would have been hard. I can already tell.
This is real firepower. Yeah.
Shout out Rivals.
Let's go. If it ain't about money, ain't about racks, don't get my attention. I stay broke on them, I'm flexing. Money spread, bitch, I stretch. From gangster, boy, come text. I'm still gonna shoot if the shot can test.
This beat go crazy.
I'm trying to leave a nigga headless. You trying to put out on a dead list. Shells on shells, he catching. On my sleeves, he ready to bless. I'm rocking designer, yeah, he rocking thrasher. Ball on niggas, my builder slasher. Bitch, I go right in the paint. Yeah, I'm smoking on dank. Yeah, I'm finna push out like a tank. My turn ready, he ready to flame. And if you can't reach me, sorry, probably on the way to bank. Probably on the way to bang. Probably on the way to bang. My twin braves, he trying to up this score, trying to up his rank. If I go broke, I'm hitting stain. Just how it goes in the game. Lot shit on my mind. Yeah, I can say that got me drained. Yeah, I've been going through change. Yeah, I've been going through pain. Yeah, but I try to stay in my lane. Yeah, trying to go run on that pave. Yeah, bad bitch, yeah, the pussy I slay. Yeah, shot at the K. I just hope I don't break, cause I got way too much on my plate. Yeah, I'm trying to make mama proud someday. I'm trying to buy dad a raise. Yeah, I'm trying to make mama proud someday. I'm trying to buy dad a raise. Yeah, right.
This beat is stupid. This my top joint so far. Deadlist. Never mind.
Yeah.
Next song, Grammy.
Yeah. I was just back, trying to get that money. Everyone trying to be on the gram like, fuck that shit, I'ma give me a Grammy. I believe myself just way too much for me to ever have a plan B. Oh, them niggas don't like my song, that's cool, them niggas just don't understand it, huh? I'm a young god, I'm a young king, nigga, that's just how I'm carrying it. Make sure I take my flow in Philly. Too many sons, I could build me a family. I'm with the squad, we ride with a blicky. You never know when the
B-side, you gotta be promoting this joint, gang.
They usually broke, they're secretly fans of me. But of course they all gon' hate, can't do what I do, can't be the man I be. You know it's gonna be a hit if I'm on the mic and Jay like on the beat. Play my family, try push up on me, you gon' D.I.E. Niggas try to talk down in the game, I had it this, that, and Kali. Like what the fuck they all at now, them niggas ain't nowhere to be seen. My eyes still stuck in the hood, I moved to the birds where the grass is green. But I'm still the same nigga from Kenzo, yeah I grew up around the fiends. Don't fear no man, cause he gon' bleed the way I bleed. The difference is that he can't do this shit like me. I knew I was destined for greatness ever since I was 16. They think that I'm chasing a dream, I'm chasing reality. For real. Yeah, I count money, and my dreams don't count no shit.
Come on.
Sad to say, them niggas in high school when they peep.
Come on.
Yeah, I was cool with the anime nerds and all of the geeks.
Come on.
I relate to them niggas, believe it or not. Yeah, that's really me.
Come on.
But that don't mean shit. You play with V, get put 6 feet. Yeah. And I ain't no gangster nigga, but don't you try me. Everyone trying to be on the ground like, fuck that shit, I'ma give me a Grammy. I believe myself just way too much for me to ever have a plan B. Oh, them niggas don't like my song, that's cool. Them niggas just don't understand it, huh? I'm a young god, I'm a young king. Nigga, that's just how I'm carrying it. Make sure I take my flow in Philly. If too many sons, I could build me a family. I'm with the squad, we ride with a blicky. You never know when it's coming in handy. Yeah, niggas who hate on me, they usually broke. They're secretly fans of me. But of course they all gon' hate. Can't do what I do, can't be the man I be.
This beat is stupid. It's like some Uzi shit. That's my new favorite genre. Oh my gosh, y'all gonna keep cooking me with these damn ads, bro. Just give me a straight through album. I mean, shout out my boy for getting ads on his channel. my shit don't got that yet. Next song, Rags to Riches. Rags to Riches.
Yeah. Eastside bitch, yeah. Eastside bitch, yeah. Eastside from the side, Kenzo baby. Rag to riches, had to go from rag to riches.
Yeah.
Rag to riches, had to go from rag to riches. Yeah. Work too hard for what I got. Each try to take it, I blick them. Yeah. Fuck the ops, some niggas some bitches. I saw them niggas all sisters. I'm in the studio every day. Studio addict, just hit my attendance. Yeah. I'm on them drugs every day. Junkie addict, it's all in my system. Got me thinking about the old me like damn, nigga, I should I miss it. But forget that crime, while my tears were hundreds. Fuck a tissue. I'm on trying to get paid. Money and drugs is numbing the pain. Yeah. Niggas ain't be on that hating shit. I see it's always a lame fact. Do not compare me to none of these niggas. I swear that we not the same. Nah, I do not fuck with none of you niggas. I just be staying my lane. Yeah, no, they not in my bracket. I see these niggas, they not in my class, bitch. They just be making some noise in the mic. I'm in a booth, I'm making a classic. I remember them niggas tried this and that. I had to trash it. Yeah. Fuck out the rabbit, he want smoke. We put him a blast.
Real firepower.
I want money, I want bands, nigga, I don't care about fame. Yeah, already famous, how they talk shit and just speaking my name. Yeah, I'm a Taurus, I go beast boy, no, I can't be tamed. Bitch, I'm ballin' like I'm MJ, finna ice my rings. Yeah, only reason that these niggas hate, don't get no bang. Niggas hate 'cause I'm out of my range. I kill shit like Dragon Slay. Rag to riches, had to go from rag to riches. Rag to riches, had to go from rag to riches. Work too hard for what I got. Each try to take it, I blick 'em. Yeah, fuck the ops, some niggas, some bitches. Them niggas are sisters. I'm in the studio every day. Studio addict, just hit my titties. I'm on them drugs every day. Junkie addict, it's all in my system. Got me thinking about the old me like damn, nigga, I swear I miss it. But forget that crime, what my tears 100s. Fuck attention.
Yeah, when I get the riches, can't go back to rap. Try to take my shit, I'ma empty the man. RK got all these niggas mad. We just party hard. Yeah, we live for fun. I don't care where I'm at. Sure or not, I got my gun. Girl, come here, I got what you want. Didn't tell you twice, I told you once. Roll up a hop, turn him to run. Big BRK, do what we want. Like Travis P, do my own stunts. Swan time right in the pit. Hold back up, you not my bitch. Get out my face, I'm getting lit. No time to waste, I'm getting rich. Got all blue nose like Roddy Rich. These niggas be hating, it make no sense. We turning up, they don't exist. She giving me top, I thought she was French. The lean, I give it a kiss. I don't want your love, baby. I know it's not meant.
Rag to riches, had to go from
Okay,
rag
sword.
to riches. Rag to riches, had to go from rag to riches. Work too hard for what I got. Each try to take it, I blick 'em. Yeah, fuck the ops, some niggas, some bitches. That's for them niggas are sisters.
These beats is fucking crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Damn, it's like every song just keep getting better, dog. Not gonna hold you. That was Rags to Riches. Next song, Swag.
Yeah. Why? Yeah, whoa. Yeah. Eastside bitch, Eastside bitch. I can tell you how to swag, yeah. I could be o.t.s, yeah. I'm ballin' water, haters speaking, straight from the bleachers. Go ain't talking to me, I got a shirt like Bob Felicia. We got them sticks and stand up clips, they can reach it. Blake can rip it to pieces, yeah. I be hanging with the demons, yeah. Some of my niggas they trapping, scheming. For that money, leave me bleeding. For that money, bitch, I'm tweaking, For that money, bitch, I'm tweaking, Off of the drugs, I'm geeking,
You that 808 niggas?
I had to fly the wrist. I went in, I got a bag of yeah. I don't know but we ride limousine. Bitch, I'm ballin', yeah, I touch the rim. I can tell you how to swag, yeah. I could be o.t.s, yeah. I'm ballin', water, haters speaking, straight from the bleachers.
Yo, every song getting better and better, dog. I ain't gonna hold you. I can't pick one.
We got them sticks and stand up clips. They can reach it. Blake can rip it to pieces, yeah. I be hanging with the demons, yeah. Some of my niggas they trapping, scheming. For that money, leave me bleeding. For that money, bitch, I'm tweaking, For that money, bitch, I'm tweaking, Off of the drugs, I'm geeking, Off of the drugs, I'm geeking, Yeah, why? I can tell you how to swag, yeah. I could be o.t.s, yeah. I'm ballin' water, haters speaking, straight from the bleachers. Go ain't talking to me, I got a shirt like Bob Felicia. We got them sticks and stand up clips, they can reach it. Blake can rip it to pieces, yeah. I be hanging with the demons, yeah. Some of my niggas they trapping, scheming. For that money, leave me bleeding. For that money, bitch, I'm tweaking, For that money, bitch, I'm tweaking, Off of the drugs, I'm geeking, Off of the drugs, I'm geeking.
He said, like, golly. Oh my gosh.
Green Giant.
We might have a 9.5 on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. Like, bro, and it's like he has the perfect, like, he be having like the perfect amount of tracks on albums and tapes. 9 songs. That's perfect. That's literally perfect. If you can get me in 9 songs, you got it. you got it. He going 5 for 5 right now. Nigga, get the fuck, nigga. Next song, Guns Bussin'.
Yeah, okay. Fuck it, let's get gon' bust. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Nigga, get away, man.
B-side from no side, cancel, baby. Leave a nigga with a concussion. Yeah, fuck it, let's get guns bustin'. No, my should've gone up it. You know the money, I double it. Ain't about money, I'm doubling it. Yeah, the cash, I feel in love with it. No, I cannot go ahead and just switch on it. Brody, yeah, he got a blue with a switch on it. Wake up, bitch, I swag on the hoe. Designer fit like I sell dope. Get hot, shit, we blow good smoke. I can't see shit, my eyes too low. No. I can't do shit, I'm moving slow. Yeah. Got the whole world is moving slow, mo. I don't got no damn option, them niggas, they beat by themselves, okay? But if a nigga want smoke, I want my demons, send you to hell. We giving them shouts. Yeah, we giving them shouts, like cook clap. Kick those, kick shit like FIFA. They don't support, that's okay, I don't need them. They gon' support when I pull up and beam. How much it flex, my diamonds beam. Yeah, blink blah. Put the money in the counter, cash out. Yeah, blink blah. Hop out large amount. Leave a nigga with a concussion. Yeah, fuck it, let's get guns bustin'. No, my should've gone up it. You know the money, I double it. Ain't about money, I'm doubling it. Yeah, the cash, I feel in love with it. No, I cannot go ahead and just switch on it. Brody, yeah, he got a blue with a switch on it. Wake up, bitch, I swag on the hoe. Designer fit like I sell dope. Get hot, shit, we blow good smoke. I can't see shit, my eyes too low. Wake up, bitch, I swag on the hoe. Designer fit like I sell dope. Get hot, shit, we blow good smoke. I can't see shit, my eyes too low.
As fuck, I'm strong as shit. Feel like I'm about to go another hit. Lately, I've been on that other shit.
I like how we got transitions to singing shit.
What the fuck? This is amazing. Top five B-side.
I already know it. As always want to come during a dope ass transition. Hating ass niggas. All right. My mom was like, why is hating your new word? Because everybody fucking hating. My bad. All right, y'all. Next song, Wealthy. If this ad wants to, get out my face. Next song, Wealthy.
Yeah. Why?
BK the ruler.
Eastside bitch, yeah. Eastside bitch, yeah. Eastside bitch, yeah. Eastside from the north side, Kenzo baby. I need 100 racks, okay? I can't talk on the way to the bank. I can't hit a
beats.
I'm crying out to God and help me with these hard times. Woo!
Like, golly, these beats is crazy.
Blind because ain't dang. How about flex? We having a way. Bitch so bad, you the pussy I slay. Beat it and eat it, put it on a plate. Spoil my bitch, you deserve it, babe. He try to push up on who like what? I see you little nigga crazy. Pull up all black like crazy. My wire and pull up where you stay. Fuck nigga wanna go play. On the concrete, yeah, he finna lay. V-side from north side of Philly, north side of Kenzo, Big K. Fuck that, Big Z. Yeah, bitch I'm from Zombie Land. Yeah, the city I'm from, niggas don't make it alive to go be a man. Yeah, I gotta buy my mama a house. Tryna give her the cash in hand. Finna buy my pops a whip. Get me a mansion and do it again. Yeah, do it again. Tryna do that shit times it by 10. Okay, I gotta get that money on money. Yeah, for generations. I ain't tryna be rich, I'm tryna be wealthy, nigga. Yeah, it's the difference. I could've been in them streets, but I'm tryna make a change. I'm tryna make a difference. But don't get it fucked up, nigga. If I need to, I'll be the blicker. Spin your block like a motherfucker twist. It's fuck the ops, cause I move way bigger. Like the white folks in my pocket. Here's you might call me a Why? I need 100 racks, okay? I can't talk on the way to the bank. I can't hit a blunt because ain't dang. How about flex? We having a way. Bitch so bad, you the pussy I slay. Beat it and eat it, put it on a plate. Spoil my bitch, you deserve it, babe. He try to push up on who like what? I see you little nigga crazy. Pull up all black like crazy. My wire and pull up where you stay. Fuck nigga wanna go play. On the concrete, yeah, he finna lay. V-side from north side of Philly, north side of Kenzo, Big K. Fuck that, Big Z. Yeah, bitch I'm from Zombie Land. Yeah, the city I'm from, niggas don't make it alive to go be a man. Yeah, I gotta buy my mama a house, tryna give her the cash in hand. Finna buy my pops a whip, get me a mansion and do it again. Facts.
Oh my gosh. W fucking album. Next song, Who Got My Back?
Who got my back?
Who the fuck is this?
I mean, after all, you are the head honcho.
Yeah, like, who got my back? Whoa. I'm talking like, who got my back? Yeah, bitch, no nigga, they love my rap. Yeah, like, who got my back? Nobody know. Nobody talk. Tryna get on.
Hold on. Who the fuck is this? That's Arrows? Bro, Arrows. It's been so long since you dropped something, I forgot what you sound like, nigga. Like, I was like, who the fuck is this?
I mean, after all, you are the head honcho.
Yeah, like, who got my back? Whoa. I'm talking like, who got my back? Yeah, bitch, no nigga, they love my rap. Yeah, like, who got my back? Nobody know. Nobody talk. Tryna get on. Tryna get locked. Who got my back? Who got my back? Who got my back? Like, who wanna talk? Niggas ain't nothing. Niggas so fly. Yeah, I'm niggas too fly. Go so robbers. So that bitch like boy. So that bitch the fire guy. Walk up in the mall. Told that bitch to buy it. Yeah, I seen that eye from the side. He got fried. This bitch don't like when I'm high. So I lie. I stay flexing on the bitch. Yeah, like Popeye. I gotta get my green. This bitch fucking the team. Put the shit right in her spleen. I sip white, nigga, you sip green. She just tryna get more of me. Little bitch, I just want more lean. Little bitch, I just want more lean. I just want million tries. I'm finna call my play. Get high, bitch, I boot up. I'm in the store with my shooters. It's like it dirty, you do it. Like do you medulla. Do we gon' shoot you. This shit get scary. Freddy Krueger. Beer kid, that be the cool, yeah. Lauren in my roots, yeah. Get out the way, better move. We don't know where to make room. Switch it, just like broom. Yeah, so switch it, just like sweet. Switch it, just like sweet.
Yeah. I already know that there's gonna be an ad coming up. Yeah. Next song and last song. Everything will be okay. Bro, this nigga went 8 for 8. That's crazy.
Eastside bitch, yeah.
And all the beats being nasty.
Yeah. Eastside bitch, yeah. Eastside from the north side, Kenzo baby. Yeah. Woke up. I'm tryna get high today. Even when things ain't right, treat it just like a holiday. Cause bad times they don't last. Be alright, gon' be okay. Yeah, cause I still got my whip at home and I still got my K. Yeah, if you try to take what's mine, chop up bullets finna eat your face. Yeah, cause I work hard for my shit. I'll be damned if it ain't go take. Yeah, they won't do it again. Finna be your first and last mistake. Yeah, gotta believe in yourself. These niggas gon' hate, but you gotta have faith. Yeah, let me cook, let me bake. I never grew up with a silver plate. Kenzo baby, on the way to school, I was passing fiends, that's the only way. Gotta get a cake, gotta chase some money, even if I'm a million miles away. Broke niggas at me in the comments tryna rage bait, but I stay on phase. Yeah, I'm tryna make a bag today. Yeah, I'm tryna make a bag today. He wanna feature our tax, okay. He wanna be paying check, okay. Nigga, he better than V, no way. You out of your mind, you crazy. Yeah, you sorry, I'm always gonna rage. Yeah, tell him go turn up the bass. Why? Yeah, tell him go turn up the bass. Yeah, tell him go turn up the bass. Yeah, tell him go turn that shit up. Yeah, tell him go turn that shit up. Yeah, tell him go turn that shit up. Yeah, woke up. I'm tryna get high today. Even when things ain't right, treat it just like a holiday. Cause bad times they don't last. Be alright, gon' be okay. Yeah, cause I still got my whip at home and I still got my K. Yeah, if you try to take what's mine, chop up bullets finna eat your face. Yeah, cause I work hard for my shit. I'll be damned if it ain't go take. Yeah, they won't do it again. Finna be your first and last mistake. Yeah, gotta believe in yourself. These niggas gon' hate, but you gotta have faith. Why?
You know, like, no matter what you do, if you put it on the internet, someone's gonna hate it. Like, no matter what, someone's gonna hate it. But it's fine. Like, I get to have fun. Like, I'm here, and I get to do this, so I don't care.
All right. As always, y'all know I gotta sit with it for a little bit. Damn, bro. He really went 9 for 9. Like, he went 9 for 9, dog. Like, there's no glazing, no, you know what I mean? No, like, connections aside, dog. He went 9 for 9. All the beats, the shit he talked about, he talked his shit on the joint. If y'all don't know V-side for the north side, bro, y'all got to tune in, bro. There's a lot of niggas from Philly that y'all sleeping on, to be honest, if you're not from here. Philly probably one of the most slept on joints other than like a Rhode Island, Wisconsin, you know what I mean? Massachusetts, like y'all already know. There's a lot of states that don't get looked at because everybody always looking at LA and fucking NY and shit. Well, let's be honest. Let's be honest. They be glazing the fuck out of the states. Philly is slept on, bro. The last nigga we had come out of here before Slayer and Skrilla was Uzi and Will Smith. Like, niggas don't be like really looking at us, dog. Again, applause, bro. Applause, bro. Like, come on now. I'm giving this joint a 9.5, bro. Like, I'm sorry. Y'all niggas can call me glazing. I don't give a fuck. He literally went 9 for 9. Production, lyrics, even engineering. He engineers his own shit. Like, bro. And I'm pretty sure half these beats was his. So, like, you gotta give credit where credit's due, bro. I think the only person I got a 9 on the channel so far, because I haven't, been dropping that many music reactions. That's why I'm asking. Yo, if y'all trying to be in this ranking and shit, come on, man, come through. Send it through. Go ahead, bro. Send your best. Send your best, because I don't be bullshitting. Like I said, I don't be glazing. Like, this nigga literally just went 9 for 9. So, if you guys want to see more music reactions, or you guys want to see yourself on one of these fucking videos, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stop playing with me, bro. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Damn, y'all. That nigga really went 9 for 9. Like, I'm not even lying.
Nerf this.